What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a look at the S&P 500, which is the SPY ETF. So, it's been very, very frustrating for a lot of traders, especially if you've been if you've been trading, trying to actively trade the markets for the past week to week and a half. It feels like it's very, very hard to kind of set and plant your feet. And what that means is, we're getting green days followed by giving it all back, getting red days. We're following it up by having a big pop off the open and then kind of just bleed off and give it all back. We're starting off by flushing off the open and then kind of catching middle ground intraday and then kind of ramping into the close. To be in all fairness, it's been an absolute shit show. As far as trading is concerned, now there's definitely moves in there that could be, taken. There's definitely opportunities where you could make money, but you have to really understand the technicals behind it. Okay, you also have to really kind of let that trade develop and also give it enough time to either A, work out in your favor, or B, kind of tell you and slap you in the face and say, hey, you know what, this trade is not working. It's time to get out of the trade. So if we just kind of look at the S&P 500, what we got going on here, we did open up green right off the bell here, kind of popped our heads here at this Bollinger Band. But you can also see, going back to yesterday, the run up that we had into the close, kind of correlating with this top upper wick here and the close. If we kind of look at where the candle closed and where this wick opened up at, we really never took out yesterday's highs. As soon as we did that, we immediately pulled all the way back. And this is the kind of stuff that's very, very frustrating to traders, because especially newer traders, you see this green move off of the open, you're buying calls here. Next hour candle opens up and completely washes you out, okay? Followed by the candle after that continues to push higher. So we're in a very, very tight range here. It's making it very, very difficult. If you're just looking for the macro plays and you really want to stay patient and sit on your hands, what you would be looking for on S&P 500, and this is for all of you options players, over 416.25 has room to run. Okay, we get a daily close over 416.25. I would feel confident that we're going to come out of this channel and into at least test 419, 420, 421. Okay, now again, if we break 416, go to 418, and then lose 416 again, I'd just get out of the trade. Now to the downside, we're coming down to some levels of support on the 1 hour time frame. You can see we've got the 200-day moving average that's sitting right here at a price of around 412, right? So 412. So previously at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we quickly, for a moment in time, cracked below 412, and then bulls kind of ate that back up, and here we are yet again testing. So if we do lose this 200-day moving average the second time on this hourly candle, there's two entries that you could take here: 411.83, or you could be waiting for 411.50. Below 411.50 definitely does have room down to 410.37. With the way that this market is acting, here's what I would do as an example. If I took 5 contracts, I would clean up at least 3 of them here at around 410.50. I would hold those last 2 as long as we stay under 412. Okay, I would use 412 as a break-even spot for those last 2 contracts and just allow it to chop around in this zone. And when we lose 410.50, I'm going to hold those runners to hopefully test potentially 407. That's just the way I would play it. Everyone's a little bit different. Everyone's risk tolerance a little bit different, and account sizes are a little bit different. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It would definitely help me out. Also, join my Discord if you guys want any information on how I trade or what I'm trading, or what I'm all about. All that information is down in the description box below. I will see you guys all in the next video.